When you sneeze, the air rushes out really fast. It can as quickly as a speeding car. But why does so much air blast out of your nose? What makes that happen? Let's find out together. Let's imagine air zooming through the inside of our nose. Whoosh! It's like a little windy tunnel in there. Every time we take a breath, all sorts of things come in through our nose. Dust, pollen, and even tiny germs can sneak in with the air. If these things just stayed in our nose, they could make us feel sick or uncomfortable. Today, we're going to talk about these pesky visitors hiding in our nose. Aren't you curious to find out what happens next? Inside our nose, there are lots of tiny hairs growing close together. These little hairs are like the brushes on toy car wheels, catching dust as it tries to sneak by. But it's not just hairs doing the work. There's also sticky mucus inside your nose. This gooey stuff is a lot like the mat at your front door that wipes off dirt and germs, trapping them so they can't get in. So you see, your nose is really good at stopping bad things before they go any farther. Thanks to these careful protectors, you can breathe easily and safely. But what happens if tiny dust or a super strong smell manages to get past all those defenses? Let's find out. When something like dust or germs sneaks into your nose quickly sends out a special signal. This signal surprises your brain. The brain acts fast and tells your belly and chest muscles to get ready, kind of like a cheerleading team gathering before a big shout. As soon as your body gets the message, it jumps into action. You take a big deep breath, and your belly and chest get tight and strong. Now your whole body teams up for a big mission. It's almost ready to blast those pesky invaders out in a very special way. When your belly and chest squeeze tight, they make a big puff of air. It's just like when a balloon pops all at once. This air rushes out super fast, almost as fast as a car zooming down the road at 100 miles an hour. That's really speedy! Along with the air, dust, germs, and pollen get blasted out too. It's like your body is shooting a water gun to clean out your nose in one big burst. When you sneeze, remember to cover your mouth with a tissue or your arm. That way the tiny droplets won't fly out and bother other people. And that's how your body keeps your nose nice and clean. Now you can smile, knowing your nose is healthy and happy. Sneezing is actually a sign that your body is working hard to keep you healthy. When dust or germs try to sneak into your nose, your body reacts super fast. And guess what? It's not just people, cats and dogs sneeze too. Animals sneeze to keep their noses clean, just like we do. Sneezing is a cool way to protect everyone's nose. But what if you keep sneezing a lot and can't stop? That might mean you're catching a cold. If that happens, it's best to rest and stay warm. Now you know the amazing reason why we sneeze. Inside your nose, tiny hairs and sticky mucus work together to stop dust and germs from getting in. If some dust and germs sneak past, your brain quickly sends out a sneeze signal. Then your body teams up to blast those germs and dust out with a big burst of air. Sneezing is your body's way of keeping your nose clean and healthy. Today, we discovered the secret behind sneezing. I can't wait to share another fun story with you next time. See you soon!